Hey babe.
Hello.
Oh, hi guys.
Hi. Welcome back to my channel. So, recently I've been getting a lot of boxes in the mail and everybody keeps asking me what I'm always getting and posting on social media. And actually my fiance too. So this time he's gonna open one of the boxes and we're gonna show you.
In other words, I'm also asking, where are you getting all this stuff from? And then she just pulls out this box, which was...
So this time we're gonna do the FabFitFun. Okay, so usually this box comes like this every season. It's $49.99 plus shipping, so it comes out to like $55. So he's gonna go through it and see what he likes, what he doesn't like, and if he thinks this is worth $55.
I hope it's not all makeup.
Open it.
Great. Alright, let's try this.
It's the other way, yeah.
I'm trying.
So this is so cute. I love this. It says grateful for every little thing, fall 2018. Okay, go.
Alright, let's see what we got here. We got some gift wrap. I don't think that's part of it though.
Gift wrap, okay.
What is this? Gift card of $50 for HelloFresh. Claim within 30 days.
Cool, okay,
Yeah,
what
that's
is
actually
Hello
pretty-
Fresh?
Fresh.
What's Hello Fresh? Oh, it's a delivery service. Deliciously simple food. Choose what the meal you want, get it delivered, and eat. $50, not bad.
Is that for the delivery only, or is it for the food and everything? Oh, it's a gift card, so I'm not
It's a
sure.
gift card, so I'm pretty sure you can just use it on the website. Okay, so that's one.
Life's richer with Rika.
What is that?
Rika. Enjoy $3 off. More coupons from Amazon.
Okay, $3 off, yay!
Not interested right away.
What is that?
Her eyes are really creepy though. I mean, look at them. It's like super blue. Anyways, I don't know.
It's
Here you go,
green.
babe. What do you
That's
think about this?
green.
What is that? What are you talking
That's
about?
green.
Not in this picture. It looks blue to me.
That is green.
I have designer eyes. I can see colors.
Okay, look.
Am I allowed to open anything?
Yeah, open it. It's for you to open.
Well,
You open it from this side. Okay, it's a set of 2 kitchen towels. When we get a house, we can use this.
worth it.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. You've been wanting one of these for a while. Now I don't have to get you one anymore. This is that thing that girls use for their makeup. They just dab away.
Dab away. It's a beauty blender. I've actually wanted one because mine ripped, but I haven't found one that I like that I wanted to get.
Well, I
so.
hope you like this one because it's a surprise. That's the problem with these boxes. Just in case you don't like it, you're stuck with it.
Yeah, you're kind of stuck with it.
I have an umbrella. I have a hilarious story about this, by the way. It's
Tell them.
okay, fine. I might as well just say it. So we did a day trip really quickly where we went to San Diego and we were gonna come back and
Oh, that story.
yes, that story. So on the way there, it was perfectly beautiful weather, and then it was supposed to be clear weather all the way around, and then it just started raining and pouring really, really hard out of nowhere. And all of a sudden, I just see Anait over there. She starts like first getting sad, and then she starts getting really upset to the point that she's about to get inside tears. And then she turns to me. She goes like, "Do you have an umbrella?" I'm like, "No." She goes like, "Why don't you have an umbrella in your car? Like, who carries an umbrella in their car?" Apparently,
Everybody
No,
has an
no.
umbrella in their car.
I am. Apparently, I'm not everybody.
Okay. Everybody that I know, girls or guys, have an umbrella in their car just in case. So this is gonna go to his car because everybody needs
I'm
an
not putting it.
umbrella in their car.
These flowers. This is not going in my car.
No, that's not flowers.
Dude, this looks like totally like flowers.
Okay, fine. I'll put this in my car and I'll give you the gray plain one in your car. How about that? Yay?
What happened?
Yes.
You have weird friends, by the way.
Fine.
Thank you. Skin product. Here you go. You know this.
It's a shower gel. You shower gel too.
Of course I do.
Okay.
Okay. This is my type of product, candy bar.
Oh, that's the Luna coupon that came earlier. So they only still send a thing.
Oh, okay.
They send a $3 coupon and they
I'm actually happy about it. It's salted caramel nut, so hell yeah.
Okay,
I'm
what's
down to try
next?
Okay, one at a time. Hold on. Let's see what we got right here. Free foam skin aging toxin, and this is the longest fucking name ever. Or that's not the name. The name is right here. Never mind. But this is very long one. Here you go. Babe.
So it has a list of ingredients that are not in it, which means by looking at this, no artificial fragrance, no this, no that, no paraben, no synthetic colors, blah blah blah. It looks pretty healthy. This is a day cream. Let's try it. Let's try it, babe.
No, you're not putting anything on me.
You can put it on me.
Fine by me. Where do I put this on?
On my face. It's a day cream. Oh.
Okay. You know that these have like a...
Yes.
Okay, pokers. Just came out real quick.
Yes.
I'm just gonna put it on your nose.
Okay, that's too much.
There you go.
That's too much, babe.
Oh, that was a
Baby.
lot. I'm sorry, babe. We're gonna need a napkin.
We gonna need a napkin.
Yes. So, quick question. Do I have to like use the dabber to dab away right now?
No, you use your fingers.
Fine. It's disgusting. How do you girls do this? Yes, yes, yes.
Should we do a video of Khachik doing my makeup?
Am I allowed to pluck your eyebrows too?
I just did my eyebrows.
Well, I'm just not saying it's bad. I'm just saying I might as well try.
You want to?
You know what? We're gonna use a couple extra fingers because this is taking too long at this point.
Because you put too much.
It's okay. You just gotta rub it in and then it goes away. Hold on, babe.
You're usually supposed to put it on your eyelids as well because you don't want to grow old and then your skin looks fine and then your eyelids don't. Okay. Is it good?
That's it. We're done.
Okay, cool.
Here you
Woo! Yay!
Don't know the retail or anything about this at all.
It's actually really moisturizing.
Welcome
It's
back
actually
again.
like really hydrating. Okay, what is that?
Total eye cream.
Oh, cool! It's an eye cream. Let's try it.
Let's try it, babe.
It says delivered fresh. It doesn't have any paraben in it. It's cruelty free, not tested on animals, and free from artificial coloring. I love that. Oh, girl. Oh. It says do it all. This is kind of cute. We're gonna try this.
No, no, no.
This one you dab away.
No dabber?
Dab away. You like it?
I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Oh, that's a good question. It is supposed to... It's supposed to moisturize your eye circles to help minimize signs of aging, stress, and fatigue in your eyes.
Do I look younger now? You have a lot of...
Not really, but I mean, like, it's supposed to do that. You're supposed to use skin products for at least 14 days to see if it actually makes a difference or not. Next.
Glam Glow Bubble Sheet?
Yeah.
What is a bubble sheet?
So this is a mask. You know those sheet
Oxygen.
masks that I put on? So these
Okay.
are one of those. We're actually not going to try this right now because we just put so much cream on our faces.
Yes.
But we will try
This feels pretty
next
good,
time.
I'm not gonna lie though. Like, it's
Yeah.
nice and cool.
We'll try this next time.
I'm not trying it, you can try it. Now on to the bigger item. But first, coffee.
Show that.
Alfred. French
It's actually
press.
really funny.
Yes. It's a coffee maker?
Yeah. Open it. We're taking this to our house too. Oh, it's a French press.
Yeah, that's what it's literally just a French press.
Careful. Okay.
My hands are kind of slippery with all this cream on it.
Voila!
Are French presses like stronger or like...
I don't know, it smells weird.
It's brand new.
You smell that? Kind of smells weird.
Let me smell it again.
I'm really sensitive to smells, so
I'm also sensitive to smells, but like I didn't smell
I
anything.
smell this. It smells
Like to the point, if I can't smell something,
this
I don't like
definitely
it.
needs to be washed. Okay, what else? Is there anything else
Try
in there?
harder to wash your products. We
You're
have.
supposed to wash products before.
I mean, they're usually brand new. There's no point of washing it.
Is that Vince?
Yes, it's Vince. Babe, what is this?
Soda. Oh my god, it's Vince. What's in it? Open it, open it. This is one of my all-time favorite companies.
This is one of our favorite companies.
I have so many shoes from them. What's inside? What's inside? Come on.
Hold
open
on,
it,
there's
open
a wrapper
it.
under wrapper under wrappers. I'm assuming this is like one of those like shopping bags or something. I don't know.
Oh, really? It's an actual bag.
Oh my god, it's an actual bag.
Oh my god.
I was right. This is like a shopping bag or something like that.
Yeah, you were right. This is cute. This is so cute.
That's plenty of storage to fit like half your closet inside there, just in case for you girls
Oh,
going
my
out.
laptop.
That too.
For school.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay.
This is like, Vince is like one of the companies that I get my shoes from.
Since I don't know anything about. What did I know anything about over here? My umbrella. Yes, I knew about the umbrella. Would you say worth it or try it or pass?
I got it, so I thought it was worth it.
Oh, I'm saying if you would
but-
recommend it.
Yeah, I would. Actually, this by itself is at least like $40. I'm just saying, because I've been looking around for house
Fully washed
stuff.
though.
Okay, this is at least like $10. The new one that came out of this
How
is
is
like
this $10
$20
for, like, women?
The new
I don't
one
understand
that came
this.
Out, that's blue, the sapphire one, is $20.
They just put like some food color dye in it and then they just turn it and they just charge another $10.
No, but at specific color because when they dab it in your face, the color doesn't come off.
That doesn't make sense in my brain.
Okay, never mind. Do you think it's worth it? Would you pay $55 for this box?
Okay, I know nothing about makeup. I don't use any of this stuff. As a man,
We got
Yeah.
kitchen towels and a coffee maker.
how much did you pay for the box?
Well, the box is $49.99 plus shipping comes out to like $55.
Okay, there you go. $39, $10, and then you get a whole bunch of extra stuff. I mean, that you can give to your girlfriend. Actually, it's a great box to give to your girlfriend. If you're gonna go ahead and surprise her with something, to surprise her that you're also surprised as well, just get her this.
That you're also surprised.
Hell, there might be something inside it that you like too. I mean, what am I gonna take? I'm gonna take these, bitch.
Okay,
You can have the umbrella.
you can take the umbrella. You kind of need one in
I
your
don't
car.
want no flower umbrella in my car.
Okay, I'll give you the green one.
I really don't even want an umbrella in my car.
Fine.
I like
no
the
umbrella
cold.
in your car.
Thank you.
So yes.
Recommended as a present to your girlfriend? Yeah, why not? Because trust me, as guys, we have no idea what any of this is. This, and like where's the other one? And this are all the same thing for us, but not for them.
Okay. Well, you heard it here first.
Yes.
He recommends it for guys to get for his girlfriend.
Mm-hmm. Might as well.
Okay, we'll see you guys next time.
Ciao.
Bye.